So what does it mean subsequently? After something else, उस चीज के बाद. He got injured, है ना? He got injured. Subsequently, he died. He got injured. अब आप बताओ, he got injured on 1945. In the year 1945, and subsequently he died. In 1946. बाद में उसकी मौत हो गई. Subsequently वर्ड आप न्यूज़पेपर में मिलता है. Subsequently after something else. सर अब जैसे सुना होगा, he passed the exam of 12th class with 99% of marks and subsequently he got the scholarship. अच्छा अब आप इसको भाग से जोड़ो. Subsequently he was destined to get 99% of marks. He was destined to get 99% of marks and subsequently he got. बाद में उसको क्या मिला? Scholarship. चेन्नई सुपर किंग कहाँ तक पहुँच गई थी? फाइनल तक. और बाद में उसको क्या होना था? एक रन से हारना था. बनाओ सेंटेंस क्लिक करो.
चेन्नई सुपर किंग was destined to approach in the final. Subsequently he was lost.
It lost the match. Subsequently lost.